my loved ones. How are you? It's your girl, CC. I'm just me. Coming at you with another mug banger. Y'all, I have a homemade salad. Yeah, I had to do my thumbnail, y'all, you know. These thumbnails be hard, y'all. So I got the chicken from yesterday that I had from the pizza left over. I got some chicken bacon. I have some eggs. I have some lettuce. I have some snap peas chips. I had some. I had honey roasted chickpeas.
Cauliflower bites.
Cauliflower bites. Oh my god, that's my favorite too.
Chicken bacon.
Chicken bacon. Oh, I said the chicken bacon, y'all. I'm gonna put y'all on with the chicken bacon. I know y'all be wanting to know like where you be getting this stuff from. Whole Foods. I'm gonna show y'all the chicken bacon wrap. Thing that come in. I got lemon poppy seeds dressing. Whole Foods, you know, just a little dab of that. Just a little, not too much of that. Let's just give it a little tang because you gotta have the black garlic. And this is like one of my favorites. Oh, you forgot the cheese.
No, I already got some in there.
Ooh, yeah. Just sprinkle the cheeses. And that's the 3 cheese.
4 cheese.
The 4 cheese?
Yeah.
4 cheese. My favorite one. French dressing. You know. You just make it a little pretty on top. On the side, I got an egg. With my egg, I'm going to put a damper of this on my egg. Just a little bit of, that on my egg. And I got some chicken from yesterday, but I got some blue cheese over here. Now look at this. Look at that. That should be another mug. Another thing if I didn't get that first one. Oh my god, this is gonna be heaven, y'all. I already know this gonna be heaven. I can't never say these things right, y'all. Spanakopia. Copia. Copita.
Yes, spanakopita.
I told you I can't never say that right. And I got spinach in there. Oh my god, it's so good. Feta cheese. Cream cheese. And that's it? No?
And black pepper and onion powder.
Black pepper, onion powder. Y'all can't even see my bowl. Both so big. Oh my god. This is so good. Oh yeah. I also got body armor for my drink. I'm gonna see what kind. Orange mango. Got orange mango. Body armor. Well, I'm actually on my way after I eat. On my way to work. So, I tried to get a video done before I go. So I can have something to stay on. Oh, that bacon. That chicken bacon. You got that chicken bacon package? I can show. Cause I know y'all gonna be asking I gotta go look and find it and put it in the comment when I can just show y'all.
Wilshire.
Welshire.
Pre-cooked, dehydrated.
There you go, y'all. Pre-cooked. Put it in the microwave. I can just show you. Did I show you?
It's ready.
So it's ready.
You don't have to, if you want it warm, but
if you want it
for
warm.
a salad, you can just crumble it up.
Now I want mine warm.
Like baking bits.
There y'all go, y'all. Mm. 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 Okay. Mm. So, you know, you gotta turn to some other alternatives, y'all. Mm. Look at that egg. Mm. 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 Let me open this for y'all. Come out. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. It's so hot. Mm. Yeah. That'll be giving me life. Mm. Mm. Yeah. I ain't supposed to get my shirt dirty, but it's okay. I'm just gonna throw in another shirt. Mm. Mm. And what makes it so good, y'all, is these cauliflower bites. It's by Ribbon. Mm. I'm telling you, it's so nutty. Oh.
And the pea bites.
Hmm.
And the sweet pea bites.
Mm-hmm. Mm. And the chickpeas. It's so good. Mm. 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 Now this is the organic green pea snack. So y'all see it?
Very good.
They are very good. And here go the other.
One of my favorites.
Y'all can just be popping these in.
Mm-hmm. Honey roasted chickpeas.
Honey roasted chickpeas. We got
And
like
all their flavors are good.
yeah, I'm gonna say we got every flavor now.
Sriracha.
Sriracha is good, especially if y'all like a little kick. And this the oh my god, these are my favorite though. Out of all of them, these are the snack. The chickpeas is my brother's favorite, but these are my favorite.
Yes.
These are at Costco. The other ones are at Whole Foods.
Mm-hmm.
Yo, I'm telling you, they would get your life. Get your life real fast. You wouldn't it takes the not having that much chips. Like if you love chips, like me, I love potato chips. Them cauliflower bites, right, perfect for you. Mm. And the kids love them too. The kids love them. Mm. So good. I don't know what it is lately, but it got colder. And I am not playing with that weather. That wind is blowing. It's most definitely gonna be almost definitely gonna be a white Christmas. It's gonna snow. I can tell. It might snow before Christmas. Mm. But I think we need this snow because we had snow last year, but it wasn't that much. But we need it. I'm ready for some snow. I am. Are y'all ready to get some snow? This salad be here. Y'all ready to get some snow, y'all? Or do y'all want that snow to stay at the North Pole? I just love the winter though, y'all. I love it, so. It's cool down, so. Y'all, do y'all already got y'all Christmas tree up? Y'all already got y'all Christmas tree up? I'm not doing no Christmas tree. We do holiday walls now, y'all. Last year we did a Christmas tree in the holiday wall. This year, and we're gonna start from the next couple of years, and we're gonna do holiday walls. It's much funner. Everybody want to take a picture at the holiday wall, and then them pictures that we take last year is gonna be on this year holiday wall. So it's so cute. It's so cute. I need some more. I need some more dressing. Just a little bit more dressing. I know they're my friend. Cause, okay. So yeah, that'll be so much fun. I can't wait to decorate my house. I did the holiday wall last year. I recorded it for y'all. Would y'all like me to record it again? Get some more content out. That chicken is so good. This is a big salad, y'all. Yeah. Before I get any farther, No, let me move that. There we go. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. And hit that notification bell. Ding! So you can be aware of what your girl doing next. And don't forget to share me out. Share your girl out. And don't forget to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a mama, to tell a papa, to tell a sister and brother to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. And don't forget to binge watch your girl. Hey, binge watch your girl. Hey, boom, 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 binge watch your girl channel. Yes, y'all. Get me up there. We on the road to 10K. Come on. 10K. Come on, get me up there to 10K, y'all. I be trying to grow my channel, y'all. That's why I be trying to be consistent and all of that, you know. Mm. 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 It's so good. Mm. 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 Yeah, that is so good. Mm. I'm trying to see me eating. I'm eating behind the bowl. So, what y'all having today for lunch? Cause I didn't even eat breakfast. I didn't. I just got up in the morning time, got the kids ready for school, and went back to sleep. Yo, I forgot what I'm saying. My camera didn't cut off. Yo, next time I won't put this salad in a bowl. I would put it on chopping board.
Yeah.
It was the hardest salad to eat.
Yeah, I told you, protein. Anything with a lot of protein, it fills you up quickly.
Mm-hmm.
Chicken and bacon.
Mm.
Eggs and chickpeas. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, this will last me till tomorrow. If I finish it. If I finish it. Oh, yeah. I still got pizza in there, but them kids can have that pizza when they come home. All that pizza. Now I'm gonna put it right back in the oven and make some good pizza. Mm. I gotta keep the eye on some time. Cause I know I get up out here real soon. Y'all gotta try the Spanish copia. It is so good. So cool. Here goes. That's how they look. The cauliflower bites.
Mm-hmm. They look like cauliflower, just dried up, dehydrated cauliflower.
They're so good.
And they funky, so don't leave the bag open.
That's how you know they good. The way they taste, I'm telling you, that'll be your new bag of chips. You'll be like, I love them.
No, you can't quit popcorn.
Okay.
She's popcorn princess.
No, I love popcorn. That's how I be losing. And yeah, that's how I be losing my weight. Because I like things that you can have a lot of, but you can eat a lot of. Like, watching a movie, I eat popcorn. When I'm just upstairs laying down, I eat popcorn. And that, we had that, I think it was Boom.
Yeah.
That Boom popcorn. Oh my
Kaboom.
Oh, kaboom.
Kaboom.
Oh my
Sweet
God.
and salty.
Sweet and salty. That kaboom. Oh my God, y'all. I ate that whole bag. Did I eat it the same day?
Yeah.
I ate that whole bag.
I was like, oh yeah.
I ate some in the morning. Yeah, because he went to the store, and when he went to Whole Foods in the morning, I ate half of that bag that morning, and that night I finished it all. Popcorn is addictive.
Nah, I'm not.
You not a popcorn fan?
I like dessert popcorn.
Oh yeah. He bought me this fancy popcorn. It's really good though. It is. It got chocolate and caramel.
Yeah, any kind of poppycock. I like your bag.
Poppycock.
I liked your bag because I didn't think it tasted like that. I got it because I thought it was buttery and salty, but it was very dessert popcorn. So I like that.
I do got the fancy. It's called fancy, y'all. Called fancy popcorn. It's real good. That is real good too. I thought I was gonna be able to. I'm trying to finish this whole salad, y'all.
I'm mad because they stopped selling my brownie brittle.
Brownie brittle?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that was really good.
Yes.
Ooh, that was really good.
They don't have it anymore. The flavor I like.
Chickpea, can you say addicted?
Oh yeah.
You know, they hung up, what's the name, jersey? Number 8?
Number 8. Oh, at where? College?
Ravens.
Ravens.
Yeah, they hang up his jersey.
Lamar? Hanging it up for what?
Nobody can't wear number 8 no more.
Oh, well, I guess. Because I heard they did that at his college.
Oh, that was for his college?
Yeah. They put his whole number and jersey on the field that they played. And yeah, now nobody that goes to Louisville can wear his jersey or his number. And they retired him in general because he won MVP of the National Football League. And he also, I didn't know, was the youngest player to win a Heisman. The best player in college football at 19.
At 19?
Yes, that was the youngest player of all time to do it.
Let me find out.
He beat the previous youngest guy by like a couple days.
Go ahead, Mom.
So yeah, I didn't even know that he won the Heisman.
I was watching it on the news, and you know, I don't never watch the news, y'all. I don't mess with the news. I get news from my brother, but I was watching it on the news, and I was like, okay, let me find out. Even though we lost.
Oh yeah, embarrassingly, but the coach's fault. I'm not disappointed in our players. It was the coach's fault. So,
but we got the Steelers coming up. We got the Browns, the Bears, and the Steelers coming up, and we gonna win all 3 of those. So, which one you think they gonna win?
We might not win none of them.
None of them?
Players are about that. It's just if your coach can't coach, the coaches don't call the right plays, then it don't matter what y'all can do.
I know we're gonna win.
I'm hopeful that we will, but
we doubting our team right now. We're gonna win.
Our players are very good and they can win, but our coaching that's the most important part. Because if your coach keep calling dumb stuff as a player, you can't tell him, Coach, that's dumb. Like, no, I'm pick the play. That's dumb. Lamar can't change the play in the huddle. He can't do it.
Well, they're gonna have to do something about it.
Audibles, but no. Whatever I say, you gotta do it. Even if you see something else, you gotta do what I say.
Well, they're gonna have to work something out because we can't keep doing this.
Yeah, you gotta have more trust in your players.
We can't keep doing this.
See, that's why Ed Reed and them will always pick off the ball because regardless of what the play was, if they saw something, they would ignore that and go pick off the ball or go tackle somebody.
Y'all, this meal was delicious. And Ravens, we better get it together. We gonna get it together. And this is our last. We've done all our breaks, so we don't get no more breaks. So we did all of them. We done that. Y'all, you can find out a lot of stuff about watching the news. I found all this out about watching the news, y'all. I'm giving y'all all my information. I found all this out about watching the news, y'all. It was on the sports part of the news, and I was like, oh, really? Oh, there it is. And I was like, oh, at least now I got something to talk about. I gotta start watching the news. I don't think I am, though. News enough for me.
I don't.
For me at all. But y'all, I love y'all. I miss y'all. Mwah.